Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for a house planning in the dimensions of 28 feet by 70 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. This is my contact number. Okay, this is paid services. Guys, you can see this is ground floor plan, and the next one is first floor plan, and the last one you can see the front elevation and gate boundary wall elevation. Let's explain the ground floor plan. Guys, you can see clearly this is roadside. So first of all, you can see this is a driveway, which is here. Main gate width is 14 feet. Two sides are open. Back side is open. Lawn we have 10 feet. On the left side, open passage, which is 5 feet. When you enter by this main gate, so opposite you can see, guys, this is carport size is 11 feet 3 inches by 14 feet and 7.5 inches. This is open passage to the right side, to the left side. Okay, and the right side is closed here. That's why, because only width is 28 feet and the back side is 10 feet lawn. At the front is also 10 feet. Okay, so here you can see the covered area we have only in 50 feet. That's why, because this is 70 feet. Back side boundary wall is 4.5 inches. The other walls are 9 inches thickness. Okay, next, guys, you can see when you enter by this main entrance, you can see this is a TV lounge, size is 12 feet 9 inches by 21 feet and 1.5 inches, and this is its window to this open passage side. Next, this is the door for this drawing room, size is 12 feet 1.5 inches by 15 feet. Length is 15 feet, width is 12 feet. Okay, so next, guys, you can see this is the large window, which width is up to 10 feet, and this is to the front side lawn, and also you can use it as a garden. Next, guys, you can see we have attached dining with this drawing, size is 10 feet by 12 feet and 4 inches. You can see this is 4.5 inch wall and this is 9 inch wall. Next, this is the access from this lounge to this dining. From this dining you can to this from this dining to this drawing room, you can access from each other. Next, we have a powder room inside this drawing room, and this is its ventilation to the carport side. Next, guys, you can see the first one. This is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 9 feet 1.5 inches by 10 feet 7.5 inches. This is its corner window, and this is exit door to this open passage, and this is wardrobe also, you can use it in the kitchen. Next, this is the first bedroom, guys. Size is 14 feet by 18 feet, and guys, you can see this is its bath, size is 6 feet 4.5 inches by 7 feet, and this is the window to the back side. Lawn, which is 10 feet width. This is the bath size, as you can see inside this. This is its ventilation, or 3 feet window. Next, guys, you can see from the back side you can use this laundry, size is 5 by 5 feet. Okay, so this is its ground floor. Now let me guide you for the first floor. Here, guys, you can see this is a stair hall. So the stair hall is 12 feet by 7 feet, and here this is up for the first floor. So this is a semi circular. Okay, next, guys, you can see here this is a down to the ground floor plan, because this is first floor, and you can see this is the lounge. Size is 11 feet by 13 feet 9 inches. Guys, you can see this is its window. So this is projection side. So this is a terrace on the top of the drawing room. Next, you can see here this is low roof, which is on the top of this car porch. Next, guys, you can see this is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 11 feet 9 inches width and 14 feet 9 inches its length. This is its window to the open passage side. And here, guys, you can see this is a dress plus bath, size is 6 feet by 6 feet. This is its window, and you can see also for the design you can see the projection. Next, this is a store. Size of the store is 11 feet 9 inches by 5 feet, and here this is the other bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 11 feet by 18 feet. As you can see on the downstairs, this is 14 feet. Okay, so here this is its dress and bath. Size of this bath is 11 feet 9 inches by 6 feet. This is the window to the back side lawn, And next guys, you can see this is servant quarter. At the back side you can use it, you can use the circular staircase here guys, you can see which you can use for the servant quarter. Size is 7 feet 6 inches by 9 feet and 3 inches. Only one bedroom you can see on one stair. And this is the terrace, and this is the toilet. Size is 3 feet 10.5 inches by 4 feet. And this is the bath window. Okay, you can see this is the window for this servant quarter. Next, let me guide you for the front elevation. This is the front elevation clearly. This is its front elevation, ground floor and first floor. Next, this is gate boundary wall elevation. So hope this short video can help you step by step creating house planning. Size is 28 by 70 feet. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.